To give you an example how some of us managed to address and actually get a huge progress. Like there were valleys where people said we will not even allow our women to vote, which was kind of not acceptable to anybody. Like, how can you do it? So you push in the negotiation, and at some point we realized that they were basically saying you can leave the area or work with us with these conditions. So when we discussed with some of the Afghans in the government, and they said, fine, let's just go ahead, do it. Whatever works, you negotiate, you push, you use the name of the government, which we did. We will bring government officials and they'll say, no, but this is, the government of Afghanistan stand, yes, women are equal citizen. But if it didn't go beyond a point, you said, okay, fine. So in that specific valley, and I remember this is Andarab, a very tough area, it was a front line for the war. Year one, no women voted with some of the shuras that were set up. But once this new leadership came up in about 40 odd councils, the very next year, these same people said, oh, by the way, I think it was a bad idea. And next year, we will be with you in ensuring in the remaining communities, we will ensure that, women are brought out and they were, allowed, that they should vote, they should exercise a vote. Just a matter of 1 year. And I'm sure, there were other valleys where they said, women can have their separate councils. There were some areas where they said there will be, women candidates can be just, standing at par as with men, and many places they got elected. So it was a mosaic. It's a very different thing based on, specific things. And you can always create a situation of cross-learning and people looking at what is happening somewhere else and saying, oh, it's possible. It didn't create, some breakdown in something which they cherished, and things would change. So the theory of change can be very different the way you do it. Lot to do with trust building. You earn the confidence of the people. You see that you're actually partners and, journeying together in this direction. That makes a lot of difference.